Hey you guys, back with another video. Y'all hear bacon? Oh my goodness. Back with another video. Okay, today I barbecued so I can enjoy the rest of my holiday weekend. This is my cheeseburger. I grilled my brioche bun. I had to put this in the microwave. This is some honey ranch chicken here. And I like those little sausages here. I got some onions. I have baked beans. I have coleslaw. That's just a little mac and cheese here. And I have, this is the barbecue wings here. And this is the honey glazed wings. And then this is the burgers in here, you guys. And I have some coleslaw. So that's what we're about to eat for dinner, you guys. This is my plate. So I'm just going to heat it up. And I'm about to enjoy me some barbecue chicken wings and honey ranch chicken wing, coleslaw, baked bean, little mac and cheese. Okay, you guys. And these are the brioche buns that I get from Kroger's. Okay. Beautifully buttery taste. Okay. So, I don't know that I show you the grilled onions. Okay, you guys, so I'm going to get the mayo, mustard, whatever for my burger. And I will be catching you later with another video. And bye-bye for now. Here's my coleslaw tub. And bye-bye for now. I'll spread on deck. And I'm going to drink some Coca-Cola. Okay, now bye-bye.